your food nice when you just don't have to cook it by yourself. Like, yeah, I'm pretty sure he's excited that we don't have to be cooking right now.
An apple?
Morning.
Good morning.
All right, can I get an omelet, please? Hash brown. One is fine. Let me get some of the French toast, like 2 pieces. And bacon. You don't want nothing? Oh, let me get some of the mixed veg. Yeah, this looks nice. Oh, plantain. And piece of the fish. Please and thanks. Thank you. Babe, why you don't want nothing? You need to eat something. Fruits? Fruits? Huh? You don't want none? No, I'm okay, thank you.
Good morning to the vlogs.
Oh shit. Oh, are they supposed to give me the syrup? I didn't see the syrup stuff there. Breakfast. Good morning. Could I get pineapple juice and could I get some syrup too, please?
Pineapple juice and some water.
They had it there? Okay.
Yeah, they.
I didn't. So why you never tell me? Oh, not gonna see me. I'm not sitting in the part where the right lighting is. But yeah, girl, breakfast turn up today. So again, hash brown, French toast, fish, plantain, bacon, mixed veg like bok choy, carrot, onion. I think that's it, and an omelet. I'm excited. Babe went for my syrup, and yeah. The first day we had breakfast here, they had original pancakes, which tasted really good. But yesterday, oh, you guys can stay right here. But yesterday they started making chocolate pancakes. It was just a little too colliding for me. Vegetable one little salt, seasoning, Maggi. Lucky Charms. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna eat my breakfast and come back. Babe got his tea. That's all he been drinking. Milo. So yeah, gonna finish digging in and get ready and go to the water park.
Real food at vlog world. We'll show you this area. You know, I don't have to do my eggs well fried, you know? I don't have to do it still, I ask them. Boy, I have to put this in our vlog, you know? Let me see my breakfast. Yeah? This match I think it was pasta, but let me check me. It's coming like a kind of fishish, like tuna or I don't know the well fried eggs. I have the donut, my salads. Gosh, I love cucumber already. tomato. Yeah, the root, you know. Root. Dumpling, that's it. Sausage and saltfish and baked egg, you know. Bok chow. Yard man.
I don't know if I showed you guys their drink menu. Here it is. This one is my favorite. This one. Yo, and their pineapple juice. Oh my god. Oh babe, they have smoothies.
Get a girl but my bougie with it. Pum pum tight, so my choosy with it. Big fat ride, I'm cruising in it. My money buy that, that's rich. That girl act like a buck too. Mo be a girl and you don't know. Me no use Molly, me no bun coke. Flank on my groom and I run joke. Hey, you no see your girl turn breadwinner.
Okay guys, so we are outside going to the water park. We're going to the water park. Outside, outside. Outside, outside, outside. Outside. I think we're going the right way. Taking some of the scenery. Drive.
Yeah, so the road power come out, you can drive up the road.
Oh.
I will never try the next pool up there, so I got a pool.
Oh yeah. Because I was like,
function up that side to the most.
no, out in here, so we are go. Why not? Why? Look how much time it cut out. And so, right now me want to walk barefoot. I swear we just came back into the same place we were. So why did you make us walk back all the way over here? Oh God. Okay, let's go. Wasn't it 100 or 1,000 or something? It was 1,000 something. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, what that is. But that far, you know.
No.
Babe, we just came from there. Oh God. Yeah, isn't this just where the restaurant is? I'm tired already. Don't we just have to get over into the next house area? This is the next one? No, but can't we walk over to that? Babe. Yeah. I am tired. You don't know. My foot hurts. You guys, we literally just came here. Can you hold this, please, so I can put on my mask?
No, hold on, I was shooting here on go. just hold hands, walk hands around.
Hands in hand for what? I don't know if you have coronavirus.
Well, you catch COVID-19, she catch it. Then I just kill it. Yeah, I'm rules that go from concrete.
Yo, when the virus just locked down everything, and I was like, yo, and if there's anywhere I could fly to Jamaica, I was like, yo,
I mean, I was stuck out there with you.
rather me dead out there with him.
I see if them still come soon, so. She said, if you catch COVID-19, she catch it.
Oh, God. Okay, guys, I think we're finding our way.
Yeah, finding our way out.
Jesus. Yo, all I did to go on water park. Okay, guys, we made it. It actually wasn't that bad. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Bling.
The pool, I'm afraid that.
Yo, I'm excited.
See kids on there.
Oh, God. Somebody in here? Or we reach inside?
Yes, sir.
Put it in there. Good morning. Okay. All right, no problem. So they're open, but they need additional time. So we'll be first in line. What? Oh, God. I'm hot. Low minute, brother. Sure. That's my specialty. Why? Of course I can take slaps.
Yeah?
When I'm in trouble.
Sure.
When I'm in trouble, when I'm not in trouble, I don't need to be taking no slaps. Morning or afternoon. No, morning. Have a good one. Yo, you guys, time out. You want, okay, I'm gonna sit down over here.
Yeah, can I sit on my laptop? So you have to do that. No, that's something like that. No, really.
Alright, guys. I don't see any no smoking sign. Just sit there. I don't think this is like a readily used area necessarily. I think it's just washrooms. Oh, guys. Yeah. All right, people. When I get into the water park, I will come back. Woody is tired. Okay. Look at it.
Yeah, baby, perfect. Hold on. Yeah.
So nerve-wracking. I don't even know where babe is. I swear he was supposed to be going down. He's supposed to be coming down somewhere. Oh God. Yo, it push. You can't even see in the red one when you're coming out. Like, yo, that one just looks so claustrophobic to me. No, the one that you went in. Yo, that's why I just closed my eyes. Did you get stuck at all? Did you get stuck at all? Okay, I'm gonna try that one. I want to try that one. I'm gonna try that one. Yo. Oh jeez. Huh? Can I try that one? Alright, if you can do it, I can do it. The red one. I thought you would have taken that one because it was just straight.
Yeah, that's it. No, you're not coming together this time. But you have to come first, guys. It's smaller.
Oh Jesus! Yo! Yo, my person got it. That one time that I come out and he came on straight. Jesus Christ! I didn't open my eyes. I didn't open my eyes. Oh no! Which one? The green one? Hey, you can get the red and yellow one. The yellow one is the higher one. Oh God. Oh God. Guys. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Yo. Babe said I'm not doing no more.
I like it though. Why and watch it?
Oh God. Yo, it's so scary because like you just see it getting, it's dark, but when it starts getting light, it's like you have no time to prepare. It's just room. And for me, like I'm going in. Babe got stuck. I'm not getting stuck, so I think I want to try the green one. The green one will seem to be a little bit better because the green one is just straight. Yeah, I thought this one would have been open. This big one, because it's just open. I don't know about this blue one.
But that wicked thing look like Steve. I know this. I don't feel like them I eat stuff when I come to. I see a more like
Alright people, I'm gonna go on the green one. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna stop vlogging here. Pick up when we move to the next location because there's other pools that we didn't check out yet, so we're gonna try those out today before we go in, eat lunch, then come back out on the beach again. Yeah, we're taking advantage today because today's our last full day. Tomorrow we just have, I want to go to the beach in the morning. Yeah, I want to go to the beach in the morning before we check out, get breakfast, and then check out. So come back later.